Tina always leaves a calculator.
To know and use the percentages that comprise a normal distribution, as well as to fill in a distribution curve with X's, actual X's, like tally marks, to symbolize data items. We're going to start with a list of numbers, and in this case it'll be 4, 7, 6, 9, 5, and 10. We have to do everything to this that we did before on the last test before we can go to the curve. So we'll start by finding the average. 4 and 7 is 11. Plus 6 is 17. 9 makes 26. 31. 41. So X bar is 41 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 41 divided by 6 in your calculator. Yeah, so we'll go 6.8. And then from there you have to find the standard deviation. So that comes out to be the square root of all of this, which will be 4 minus 6.8 quantity squared plus 7 minus 6.8 quantity squared plus 6 minus 6.8 quantity squared and plus 9 minus 6.8 quantity squared plus 5 minus 6.8 quantity squared and then plus 10 minus 6.8 quantity squared. And all of that's going to be over 6. The standard deviation comes out to be 2.1. Now this is the information that we have to take with us to the next screen so we can fill in the distribution. 6.8 is the average and 2.1 is the standard deviation. From the previous screen, we know that the average is 6.8. And then the standard deviation was 2.1. So we have to add 2.1 as we go to the right. So 6.8 plus 2.1 is 8.9. And then add another 2.1 to get 11.0. And then add another 2.1 to get 13.1. Do the same thing going to the left, except instead of adding, you're going to subtract. So that should be 4.7, 2.6, and then 0.5. Now that we have the distribution labeled out, we can start filling in tally marks, or just X's. And our list was 4, 7, 6, 9, 5, and 10. Now find the spot in there which each data item falls in. For example, we'll start with 4. 4 would be between the 2.6 and the 4.7, so we would make an X. And then the 7 falls between 6.8 and 8.9. 6 is between 4.7 and 6.8. The 9 falls between 8.9 and 11.0. And the 5 falls between 4.7 and 6.8. The 10 is between 8.9 and 11.0. Here's the list. This one is 2, 7, 8, 11, 12, 1, and 9. Fill in a normal distribution with tally X's to show the true shape of this distribution. You have to find the mean and the standard deviation for this. What was the mean? 7.1 was the mean. What was the standard deviation? 3.9 was the standard deviation. So we have 11, 14.9, and if we go 3.9 to the right, it should be 18.8. Now subtract 3.9 to get 3.2, and then a negative 0.7, and then a negative 4.6. Now let's label this out. The 2 is going to end up going here. The 7 goes here. 8 is here. 11. Anytime you have, and I'll give it to you if you have it on either side this time, but anytime you have a number in your data set that matches exactly a standard deviation point, put it to the one in the left here. If you have it to the right, I'll still give it to you for now, but not from now on. 12 will go here. 1 will go here. And 9 will go here. So you can have this, or if you have 2 of them here and 2 of them there, that'll count as well.